It's Jared at Weber Brothers bringing you another installment of Front Clip. This is a 2023 Cadillac CT4 front clip. This one's being picked up by a customer who's driving a pretty good distance. So, like normal, I want to go over it, make sure that we disclose anything that we have found. Make sure the customer sees the video before they make the drive. Everybody's happy, there's no surprises. So, our example of a CT4 front clip. Dash and airbags are out. As you can see, the hood and fenders. Headlight, both side headlights, grille, front bumper, all intact. Under the hood, rad condenser and fans. This one does have a couple dings on the hood that were noted. It's hard to catch them in light, but you know, right in front of my finger. Catch them right there in that light. So that's the kind of disclosure I'm looking to share with people. I don't want to surprise anyone or mislead anyone, so that's what we look to do here. Get you under the hood. And under here we have everything still intact. So rad condenser fan is in there. Within that bag is a tremendous amount of parts that we have found that everyone finds useful. Splash shields, air cleaner. The fender liners are tucked in there. AC lines, fuse box, overflow bottle. Everything's in here. So we drop out the engine tranny and suspension and subframe. You get everything else. This is a very nice front end, but we did note a couple little issues there with the hood. Nothing too major, but as always, we like to disclose it. If you have any questions about this or any other front end you might be interested in, my name's Jared. You can reach me at 800-222-2528. My direct extension is 112. Or you can find me, obviously you found me here on YouTube, you can find me Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, you name it. Just look up Jared Weber Bros. Thanks for watching.